Hi, Jim Shaw here from Crystal Group. Wanted to spend a moment talking about picking the right server for the right application. We have an extremely low failure rate in the industry, and part of that success story is really picking the right application for our customers in terms of how the chassis are designed and developed for these particular COTS implementations. So what we have here is an example of a sheet metal chassis, which most of our competitors actually use something very similar to this. This type of chassis is great for thermal or any kinds of things like humidity, because you can do some of the same things with them. However, anytime there's a shock and vibration component to the environment, this just doesn't work. And so what we make sure we do is we don't put these types of chassis into any kind of kinematic or dynamic environments, because they tend to twist the motherboards, and that's very, very damaging to solder joints. So the difference between a chassis like this and a billet milled chassis like this really is kinematic environment. If you want it to last for a long time, if you want to have no troubles with it, make sure that you have picked the right chassis for the environment and the right vendor for your computer system or server. That's how we maintain the highest reliability in the industry.
Join us next time for another shiny object at Crystal Group.